Hello students, we have already learnt about similar triangles and we also learnt about how in these two similar triangles the sides will be proportional and their angles will be equal. This also we saw in the previous sections. Now in this section we are going to learn area of similar triangles. Okay, two similar triangles are there means how the areas of both the triangles are related to each other, that we are going to see. So that we have a theorem. So the statement of the theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, so ratio of areas, that is equal to square of the ratio of corresponding sides, that we have to prove. Okay, so this is statement. So given, already it is given the triangles are similar. So this triangle if we are taking means it's already given these two triangles are similar. Okay, so their sides will be proportional and the angles will be equal. That's a fact we can take from this. So we have to prove now ratio of the areas. So area of ABC by area of PQR. Okay, ABC triangle ABC and triangle PQR, if we are taking as ratio, means it is equal to the square of the corresponding side. Any side it can be, either it can be AB by PQ or BC by Q, or any corresponding sides we can take it to that the square will be equal to the ratio of the areas of the triangle. Okay, so construction, draw the altitude AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. So in this triangle you can see the altitude means from the vertex to the opposite side a perpendicular line will be drawn, that will be the altitude of the triangle. Okay, so by that AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Okay, so now taking the two triangles. So first triangle ABC, if the area if we want to find means what's the formula? It is half into base into height. So base is BC, height is AM. The altitude just now we drawn, no, that's the altitude, and BC is the base. So base into height, BC into AM. Okay, so half into BC into AM, that's a area of the triangle ABC. Then triangle PQR, similarly. Okay, this is height, PN is height and QR is base. So half into QR into PN, that's a second area. So dividing 1 by 2. So why we are dividing? Because we want ratio. So ratio means first triangle area divided by second triangle area. So area of ABC divided by area of PQR equal to the same what we found out, that we are writing half into BC into AM divided by half into QR into PN. So half will get cancelled. Okay, so we are left with BC into AM divided by QR into PN. This is the first equation that we are getting, that I have named as A. Okay, so next slide. In triangle ABM and PQN, so that what we are taking this half section of the triangle. Okay, since we want this height, that's why we are taking this half of the triangle and here this half of the triangle. Okay, so in that angle B equal to angle Q. Okay, why? Because these two triangles are similar, the whole triangle is similar, in that corresponding angles are equal, no? So these B and Q angle are equal. Then angle M equal to angle N equal to 90 degree. Okay, these two are altitude, they will be having 90 degree. Okay, So two angles are equal. So these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. Which triangle means this first half triangle, this triangle and this half triangle. Okay. So these two triangles are similar. So if they are similar, we can write the sides are proportional. Okay. So AB by PQ. So this side, the AB by PQ and AM by PN. So these two sides are proportional, we are writing. From A, okay, so this is A equation. In that we can write like this. Okay. So we are going to replace AM by PN. This is here, no? This equation you are going to substitute in the first equation. So AM by PN, that is going to be replaced with AB by PQ. Okay. So if you see, this AM by PN is there, no? That is replaced with AB by PQ. Okay. So this one. So this is replaced with this one. Why? Because it is given in this equation. Okay. So with AB by PQ we are replacing. Then in next slide. Now given ABC is similar to DEF triangle. Okay. These two triangles are already, we know that they are similar. So their sides will be proportional. So AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR, because this triangle is already given, it is similar, that's why the sides are proportional. So putting in C, so this we are going to put in C. So in C we are going to replace BC by QR, sorry, I'll show you. Okay. BC by QR. So BC by QR is there, no? That is going to be replaced with AB by PQ. Okay. Why? Because this is already given. These two are equal. Anything you can write. Either you can replace this with this or this with this. Okay. That's why it is already proportional. So this shows that, this proportionality shows that. So anything you can replace. Okay. So putting in C. So first we are replacing AB by PQ. Okay. So AB by PQ into AB by PQ. So it is square. AB by PQ the whole square. Okay. So now again using this proportionality we can find out anything. Anything we can find out. AB by PQ the whole square, or BC by QR the whole square, or AC by PR the whole square. Okay. So hence it is proved. Okay, I hope you understood this. First we started with, I'll show you. First we started with area. Okay, area of one triangle, then next triangle, then we divided because we want to find the ratio. So we divided, then after dividing, half will get cancelled. So leftover BC into AM by QR into PN is the first equation. Okay. Then after that we took the first half triangle alone because we want this AM. So we took that. So in that two angles are equal. Okay. Then these two triangles are similar. So we can write the sides are proportional. Okay. Then after that from A. Okay. From A, this value, this B equation we got now, that we are going to substitute in this A equation. So we got BC by QR into AB by PQ. Okay, AB by PQ we have substituted. Then after that, already we know that these two triangles are similar, so the sides are proportional. So putting in C, this value, now this proportionality there, no, that we are going to put it in C. So AB by PQ the whole square we will get. Okay, or else the another one. BC by QR the whole square also we can find out. Okay. Similarly, AC by PR also we can find out. That's a proof. Okay. With this, I'll end this video. I hope you understood. You write and practice this theorem. Thank you, children.